bottlenose dolphins. Local fishermen in Laguna, Brazil, know that between May and June, these estuarine waters are swimming with mullet. But it's too murky to see them. Echolocation is a precision sonar system that can detect the size, speed, and distance of prey. The dolphins use it to find the mullet, and then they shepherd them together. But schooling fish are very hard to target. So, with a flick of their flukes, they make a distinctive dive, providing a signature slap that signals to their fishermen friends, it's time to cast. It helps the humans land catch after catch, where otherwise they would be fishing blind. It helps the dolphins too. When the nets are cast, the mullet panic, break formation, and scatter straight toward the waiting dolphins. Everyone gets a belly full of fish. It's the perfect partnership.